In today's video, I'll teach you how to install phone camera on Android. So phone camera is the built-in application on the Android devices, so you do not really have to install it. But if you would like to install other camera application, you can do it via the Play Store. For that, open the Play Store, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. After you do that, search for the camera. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on the camera application that you would like to install and install it. After you do that, it will be installed. But for the built-in phone camera, you'll not have to install it, but it might have been disabled on your device. So what you can do is simply enable it. For that, open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Tap on this option apps. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option see all apps. Now what you have to do is find the application for camera and tap on it. Now if this application has been disabled, you'll be able to find the option for enable over here. Simply tap on it. After you do that, it will be enabled. That means now you'll be able to use your phone camera on Android. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you install phone camera on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.